Hello, I'm Bryan Burke, a general pediatrician with Arkansas Children's Hospital. Today we're going to talk about whooping cough. Whooping cough is a breathing disease, a respiratory disease caused by a bacteria that infects your throat. It generally starts off with cold-like symptoms, so it's not impressive in the first 2 or 3 days, but then it shifts into high gear. As you can see in this video, this is what whooping cough sounds like. Whooping cough has been in the news lately because it's making a resurgence, particularly in areas of the country that are not as well immunized. Parents, because they haven't seen the disease and because they've been misinformed with all the misinformation out there about the dangers of vaccines, are choosing, at least in some cases, to either avoid immunizations entirely or to delay immunizations to a later age when they feel that it will be safer for their child. It is more dangerous to delay the immunizations because the child remains susceptible to the disease to a later age. Older children, typically at age 10 or 11, and adults need to get booster immunizations for whooping cough. They need this for 3 reasons. 1, the protection that you receive either from having had the disease, if that was your misfortune, or from being immunized wanes over time, and so you can get the disease. Whooping cough, secondly, even though it is not as severe in older people, can be a very difficult disease and make you sick and even occasionally need hospitalization. Thirdly, and probably the most important thing, older children, teenagers, and adults are the reservoirs for whooping cough. Our infants who are at most risk for whooping cough get their exposure from unimmunized adults who may simply have a minor cough and think they have a virus, when in point of fact they have whooping cough. It's just not recognized as such because it's less severe in adults than it is in children. You can learn more about whooping cough by reading Parenting in Arkansas, a free publication available in daycares, clinics, and preschools around the state.